Welcome to Val's Quick Tips and Tricks YouTube channel, and very good morning to you all. It's very early morning over here, and this is a quick video which I am going to make about Goan Sannas, and I will be making some Goan poe. Poe means like a dosa type, like that. So overnight I had soaked this batter. I had kept this batter for fermenting. So what I had used is 1 cup of Goan boiled rice. Kindly note, it is Goan boiled rice, and 50 grams, that is half cup of coconut, grated coconut, and I had soaked that for around 2 hours. That is boiled rice, and then I grinded it with coconut. So I mixed this together and I grinded it with a smooth paste. And while grinding, instead of water, I added
half cup of sur, that is Goan toddy. Let's make sanna in our oven, as there is a gas issue. So keep your plates ready. Salt I will add in the batter. It's always good to add salt when you are just to make. Then the plates are ready. So I have applied oil. So grease it with oil and then add the batter. So one spoon in this is enough. Maybe 2 spoons. 2 spoons. So like this only add 2 spoons. It's done. Now ready to go to oven. Preheat oven for 180 degrees for 20 minutes, and then we have to make this or bake this, steam this in oven, OTG normal oven, for 30 to 40 minutes. Cover this like this with silver foil and then bake it. Here it is. On 180 degrees and for 40 minutes. These are sannas ready in oven. Try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you so much. Devare Guru.
And here it is, lovely Goan Sannas ready to eat. Thank you.